Hey y'all, hey, I am just coming on here quickly to say that I just bought a new condo. I am so happy. I have watched a number of videos from some of my favorite DIY YouTubers and interior designers, and I am going to take a combination of what I've seen online along with many of my travels, and I am going to use that as my inspiration to update my condo. Now, my condo comes with a lot of state-of-the-art features, but I just wanted to make sure that it had my own little personal touches on there. So hopefully you will enjoy this journey with me. I am beyond excited to share this with you. Good day. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of my new condo so that you can begin to see the blank palette and what it is that I have to work with. This is the dining room area. Also will be utilized as an office. Out there, I have a pretty nice balcony with a view. I'm going to definitely decorate that as well. I have this galley type kitchen. It has a lot of state-of-the-art appliances. Look at that cafe microwave, cafe stove. I'd never even heard of these appliances until I came and did a tour here. So many of these items that you see out on display are actually things that were left behind by the previous owner. She had a thing for knickknacks, but she definitely has some great taste. So look at this. This Lazy Susan, that's native marble. I'll make some use of that for sure. But I wanted to give you just a lay of the land and then maybe begin talking about some of the things that I'd like to change. So first of all, hi, my name is Fiona. This is Bougie on a Budget, Fiji rated, and begin talking through some of the projects that I may undertake as a result of watching some of my favorite YouTubers. That includes DIY with KB. I enjoy Kristen McGowan. They all have different tastes from me, but that's fine. I also, have seen quite a few others that I'm interested in. But this area over here, which is the fireplace and the TV, I'm just going to make sure that I have the furniture pointed properly around that area. I have this blank space over here where I will be placing some type of credenza or storage unit to be able to hold things that may overflow from the bedrooms, especially like linens and things of that nature. This wall right here, I want to do something with it. I first was actually considering painting this door black, but after watching a few DIY YouTubers, I think I'm gonna back away from that and do something different with the entryway. Something maybe in a grayish green, something that'll kind of be a bit different than just choosing the black. Here we have the laundry room / pantry. I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about getting rid of some of these shelves that are in here so that I can put more things flush up against the wall for storage. I don't think it's necessary to have anything beyond these shelves. Like, I'm not sure the purpose of all of that down below. I'm sure it did serve a purpose at one point in time. There's a lot of shelving up above, so we're just going to utilize the height. I want to do something with that lamp. So over to what my son considered to be heading into Narnia. We have the bathroom. Another one of these bifold doors. So I don't want to turn on the exhaust fan because I don't want the additional noise to come through here. I love, love, love this marble tile that was placed in here. Even if it's not real, It sure looks and feels very close to it. Again, with the green accents and the gold. What I will say is that since there isn't a backsplash here, and I've already experienced what it's like to live in a place where you don't have any type of tile or something that's around the sink, the paint on here begins to show the wear and tear. You got toothpaste, you have so many different ingredients and things that can kind of like wound up getting on the back of there. So I'm going to do all that I can to prevent that. I'm thinking about maybe looking into some Moroccan tile or something like that. I love this little vanity / makeup space area. It's quite narrow. I think I understand the concept, so I will probably put some type of stool or fold up thing that can kind of be utilized if I'm going to sit here and do my makeup. Hey girl. So coming out, we got the pocket door here. I think this hardware needs to be replaced. I think it's seen its day, and maybe putting something there that's a bit more modern will work best for me. I'll turn this light so you can see things better. Again, with the mirrors, you know, I understand that mirrors have a purpose. I love a good mirror, but this mirror gives me dated. If you have suggestions, I would be open to hearing them. But for now, I think I have some ideas as to what I'm going to do to cover this. I will have someone, as far as like a handy person, helping me out with some of the repairs. I'm thinking about, this is what would be my son's room, and I'm thinking about maybe putting some type of brick wall, wallpaper, or something up on his room to create like a nice grown-up approach. He is at an age where he's kind of like in that tween stage, and I want to make sure that he transitions over to teenagehood with style. Here we have the wall of closets, and let me just turn on there's a lot of natural light in here, but I also want to turn this light into something else. I'm going to maybe look into my ceiling fan options, but I want to use some picture molding or something similar to make these closet walls have some type of interest, contrast, and of course I'm going to paint them. But I might try to make sure that there's a cohesive theme throughout the condo with the color that I do with the closets. I don't want my apartment to necessarily consist of a whole bunch of different colors, so I want them to be tied in together. I do like the hardware that's on here. I think it'll go great with the bohemian style bedroom decor that I've been eyeing. And I cannot wait until I get finished with this project and you're able to see my design, my baby design execution come to fruition. I cannot wait until I get my dining table, have my chairs, have some plants, just funk it out with a little bit of maybe boho chic. I'm definitely going to go with that style plan out there. I love boho chic when it comes to my clothing, but my design style for homes is a bit eclectic. It's a mix. It's a 25, 25, 25, 25. I love traditional. I love that French country look. I love boho. I love modern. I love minimalist. So what I'm going to do is allow for my taste in things to lead me to where I want to go.